Hi there, this is Sharam from Learnacon, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add a security layer to an existing OPC-UA communication with S700 CPU. In our example, S700 CPU is an OPC-UA server and I use UAExpert as an OPC-UA client. If you haven't watched my previous video about how to establish OPC-UA communication, please click on the link in the video, or you can find the link also in the description. Okay, so here is my TIO portal project. So I have added a CPU 1500 and I've activated OPC-UA. And in the security part, we can see that there is no security, and there is also for the user authentication, we have activated the enable guest authentication. So basically everybody can connect and log into the server and browse or read and write shared OPC-UA variables. So for OPC-UA variables, I've created a data block and have two tags, and I've connected one of my tags to clock memory byte of the CPU to make it dynamic and changing randomly. Okay, so now I'm going to go and activate the user authentication under CPU properties, security, user authentication. First we disable the guest authentication, and then underneath that there is a checkbox for enable username and password. So with that I can add a username and password in the table here. So we can go with user1 as the default username, and in the password just put user1 as the password. Not a very strong password, but this is just a test. Click OK, and that's it. Save, compile, and download. Okay, so now I can switch to my UAExpert. So as you can see, I get error here and my previous reading turned to red, and in the status I have bad communication error. This is because it's trying to connect using anonymous user. So what I do, I can disconnect to be able to change the property. Right click here, properties. Okay, so here the authentication setting is anonymous, so I'm going to change it to username and password. So put user1 here, store, and then password user1, and then click OK. And then try to connect again. Okay, so after exchanging user password, connection is reestablished and I can see my variable changing. Okay, that was it. It was pretty easy. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Bye-bye.